Hi, my name is Mark Seymour, manager of the North Star Income Fund, and this is an update for the first quarter 2022. The fund performed well during the quarter, delivering a return of 1.3% versus the benchmark return of 1%. The bulk of returns coming from our exposure to inflation-linked bonds. And then secondly, our exposure to fixed bonds and floating rate notes also making positive contributions. On a relative basis, the portfolio did well not to have any exposure to global bonds, and that is as a function of the strengthening rand, and then coupled with the fact that global bonds have been selling off over the last quarter. The challenges that face investors currently is rising inflation and the response by central banks. So we've had the Federal Reserve implement its first interest rate hike in March, and then coupled with that, they've reversed their asset purchase program and will also be looking to scale back the size of their balance sheet. So the actions by central banks in light of rising inflation is likely to be a headwind to global markets, at least over the medium term. Although commodity prices continue to rise, and that has had a positive effect on the rand, so we've seen rand strength, we are getting to a point where we need to think about having a more balanced exposure, which will be informed by the prospective returns that we do see out of the different asset classes. So currently where we do see value is still in short-dated inflation-linked bonds, in fixed bonds in the 7 to 12-year range, and then cash itself in the rising interest rates environment also offers reasonable returns. And then lastly, we see great value in gold, in addition to the diversification benefit that it offers the portfolio. So all in all, the North Star Income Fund is well positioned on a yield of 7.4%.